Alright, hey guys, your dude Keon. So today, mag-unbox tayo ng hindi lang isa, pero dalawang amazing products. Yung isa dito ay yung Backbone One carrying case, PlayStation Edition, currently priced at $1,599. And yung other one, yung Backbone One PlayStation Edition for iPhone 15 and Android with USB-C, second gen to, currently priced at $5,759. So let's dive in and check them out. Alright, first let's take a look sa Backbone One carrying case. Packaging is sleek and my signature PlayStation aesthetic, a PlayStation logo right here. Pretty nice. Ito yung sides, yung back. So some information right here. So very simple design, pretty nice. So buksan na natin to. Very easy to open, sticker lang. Ang kailangan nyo i-peel or i-slash gamit ng cutter. So ganyan lang, slide to open. So there's another box here, kulay brown siya. So ito yon. Pretty nice. Made in China to, so quality products from China. Buksan natin. Ito makita nyo. Pretty, medyo malaki siya, no? Ayun. So may plastic covering and pretty nice. Solid. So, durable din yung exterior niya na may soft interior lining up to keep your Backbone One safe from scratches and bumps. Very easy to open. Mayroon lang siyang isang zipper. So, yeah, pretty awesome. Wala siyang pockets whatsoever. So, I guess ganito lang siya. Soft to touch. And, maganda to for your Backbone device. And very easy to close lang. Ayun. So ito yung Backbone One carrying case. I'll give the link on the description below. Yeah, it's time to open the main event. So ito yung Backbone One PlayStation Edition second gen. As you can see, meron siyang logo ng iPhone and Android, and USB-C na rin siya. So sabi daw sa version na to na second gen, you can fit your phone with a case. So kung may case yung phone mo, pwede pa rin siya, pwede mag-work dito sa version na to of Backbone. So make sure mo lang na basa mo na may iPhone and Android siya compatible, and ayun, USB-C. And ito yung back, and sa baba, and sa sides. Ayun. So, may visible logo ng Backbone. So, let's open this up. Ayun siya. So, may soft plastic siya. So, kailangan natin i-peel or slash yung plastic. Yeah, very easy to open. And, wala siyang sticker. So, I think pwede mo na lang siyang i-push ng ganyan. So, you got the Backbone box. And, open lang siya ng ganun. Ooh. So, may QR code. And, ito rin, QR code. Ito parang card. May card dito, nagawa sa papel. Get the app. And ito na yung Backbone. Very premium design. So, tignan muna natin yung contents ng box. So, you got the card right here. Get the app. So, ayun. So, may QR code na get the app. So, sa likod, may mga instructions. Download the app. Very easy to follow instructions. So, yun nasa loob pala nito, mga flaps para ilagay mo sa Backbone. Kasi may iba't ibang sizes kasi ng iPhone at saka Android phone. So, kailangan mo yung mga flaps na to para ma-adjust. And alam ko magnetic lang siya. So, ayun, nasa loob ng box na yun. So, ano pa kasama sa box? So, kung pinul mo yan, may parang safety guide, instructions, papers. I don't think may kasama siyang warranty card, pero ito yung nasa loob. And safety guide lang. Ito yung unang makita, play safe. Tingnan natin yung main event. So, may mga buttons din siya. Pretty nice. Para siyang Nintendo Switch yung directional buttons. So, siguro meron ako dito mga pang Nintendo Switch na pang protection sa mga sticks. Tingnan natin kung fit. So, tamang-tama yung size. Tamang-tama. Tama to. Ayun, so fit na fit siya. Yung mga Nintendo Switch Joy-Con protection. So, pwede dito sa Backbone 1. So, yun lang yung ginawa ko. So, itong Backbone 1, nagpi-feature siya ng collapsible and compact design, making it easy to carry around na din. Second generation siya na may dalawang sets of magnetic adapters for better phone fit and reshape na D-pad right here for enhanced responsiveness. So, sa loob ng box niya may magnetic pads. So, pwede mag-fit sa mga iba't ibang phone cases, ibang models, ibang sizes para ma-ensure yung pagka-snug niya din. So, meron ako dito ang iPhone 15 Pro. Let's see kung kakasya siya. And, at medyo maging careful lang kayo. And ngayon ko lang nakita to, may PlayStation logo sa likod. And ayan, para makita niyo na din buti. And medyo interesting din yung R1 at R2, parang it matches the feeling doon sa PlayStation 5 controller almost. Or ganun din siya, yung parang feeling na pinipindot mo yung R1 at R2. So, pero yung buttons para siyang Nintendo Switch lang. Yung joystick at saka yung mga buttons, parang mga Nintendo Switch yung feeling. Yung difference nga lang sa D-pad, no? Iba lang siya. Para siyang old school Nintendo controller. May menu button. Hindi ko alam kung ayun, napipindot rin yung mga joystick. So, pretty nice na din na feature. So, for this Backbone 1, again, compatible siya sa Apple, Samsung, Google, and other phones. So, tignan natin kung compatible nga siya sa size-wise sa iPhone 15 Pro Max. Alright, so for phone cases, kailangan nyo manually tanggalin yung flaps. So, magnetic siya, and madali naman siyang tanggalin. So, kailangan flaps off. Gagamit kayo with case for iPhone 15 Pro Max. And so, ganyan lang siya. Stretch. Boom, pasok. And boom, pasok. Adjust na ng konti. And ito yung unang lalabas na ganitong notice once na-download nyo na yung Backbone app. Ganito. So, pretty nice. So, try natin sa ibang phone. Meron ako dito ng Samsung S23 Ultra. Ganito. Samsung S23 Ultra. Buksan natin. So, ayun yung phone. Tingnan natin kung mag-open din siya bigla sa Backbone app. Ayan. So, ganun. Boom. Boom. Hindi siya nag-open sa Backbone app. Tingnan natin. Kapag iPhone, diretso siya dito eh. So, tingnan natin kung press natin X. Ayun. So, medyo responsive din siya. So, that's pretty nice to know. And, ayun. Ganda niya. And, fit na fit din. Medyo, I don't think masasabi ko siyang wobbly, pero medyo, and then, nagmo-move din siya ng konti, pero it's not an issue for me. Pero, mukha na siyang mini Nintendo Switch or PSP. It's pretty nice. So, well, so yung standard features ng Backbone 1, meron siyang 3.5mm headphone jack for your headset. Pero mostly siguro yung gagamitin ko na lang dito yung wireless earbuds ko na meron ako for Android and for Apple. So, really nice para mas maging comfortable. So, yung Backbone 1 doesn't have any battery. uses minimal power from your phone para ma-allow niya yung long gameplay sessions without the worry na mawawalan ka ng juice or battery para sa phone mo. So yung Backbone app, medyo fantastic feature din siya. Nag-organize siya ng content library and game streaming services, integrated user experience. So, makakalaro ka na kahit anong game na nagsusupport din ng controller. So, kasama na dito yung Backbone 1. So, hindi pa natin na-try kung anong mukha niya, kung kasya ba siya with phone. Tignan natin. So, ito yung carrying case. Oh, and unang tingin pa lang masyado nang mahaba with phone. So, kailangan nyo pa rin tanggalin yung phone nyo pag store nyo siya sa carrying case niya. Ganun. Ganito lang. Very easy. So, medyo masikip lang dito para mag-stick siya. Tignan, hindi siya dapat mag-fall. And yun. Very nice. Na akong panlaro mamayang gabi. Ayun. Backbone 1 carrying case. And Backbone PlayStation Edition right here. Pretty nice. So ito lang naman yung aking unboxing experience for the Backbone 1 PlayStation Edition at yung carrying case for mobile gaming. Premium design, responsive controls, and compatibility with a wide range of devices. Definitely worth checking out. So ililink ko in the description below yung website. So maganda na doon na kayo sa website bumili over sa Shopee or Lazada. Mas mura talaga pag doon kayo. And ayun, currently priced at $5,759 for the Backbone 1 device, 2nd gen, and $1,599 for the carrying case. Medyo solid investment to sa mga serious gamers na walang time maglaro in front of a TV. And ayun, so I guess I'll be ending the video right here. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to TMPH Gaming. And ayun, just leave a like, share, and comment down below what other devices you want me to unbox next. Ayun, so subscribe na lang kayo and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!